AWS Command Line Interface, AWS CLI. Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about the AWS Command Line Interface, AWS CLI. The AWS CLI is a powerful tool that allows you to interact with AWS services from the command line. This can be a great way to automate tasks, troubleshoot problems, and get more control over your AWS environment. What is the AWS CLI? The AWS CLI is an open-source tool that you can download and install on your computer. Once it's installed, you can use it to run commands that interact with AWS services. For example, you could use the AWS CLI to create a new Amazon EC2 instance, start a stopped instance, or list all of your S3 buckets. Why use the AWS CLI? There are a few reasons why you might want to use the AWS CLI. First, it can be a great way to automate tasks. If you have a repetitive task that you need to do on AWS, you can write a script that uses the AWS CLI to do it for you. This can save you a lot of time and effort. Second, the AWS CLI can be a great way to troubleshoot problems. If you're having trouble with an AWS service, you can use the AWS CLI to get more information about the problem. This can help you to identify the cause of the problem and fix it. Third, the AWS CLI can give you more control over your AWS environment. If you want to have more control over how your AWS services work, you can use the AWS CLI to configure them. How to get started with the AWS CLI? The first step to getting started with the AWS CLI is to download and install it. You can find the installation instructions on the AWS website. Once you have the AWS CLI installed, you can start using it by running the AWS command. The AWS command has a lot of options, so it can be a bit daunting at first. However, there are a lot of resources available to help you learn how to use it. The AWS CLI is a powerful tool that can be used to interact with AWS services from the command line. It can be a great way to automate tasks, troubleshoot problems, and get more control over your AWS environment. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the AWS CLI. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Associative, your gateway to innovative IT solutions and digital success. Boost your business with Associative's comprehensive services. Android app development, iOS app development, cross-platform app development, web application development, website development, digital marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, market research services. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies. We possess expertise in a diverse range of programming languages and technologies. Our proficiency extends to the following: C++, Java, Jakarta E, Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, EJB, and Java Persistence API, JPA, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, Flutter, and PHP. We employ a variety of robust databases to facilitate our work. Our preferred options include Oracle Database, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. For application server requirements, we rely on reputable platforms that offer reliability and efficiency. Our preferred choices encompass Oracle WebLogic Server, Eclipse Glassfish, and Apache Tomcat. Our team possesses expertise in a wide range of platforms, ensuring we can cater to diverse needs. We have extensive experience in working with Laravel, Selenium, Appium, Magento, WordPress, Joomla, OpenCart, Drupal, Shopify, and PrestaShop. These platforms enable us to deliver comprehensive solutions tailored to our clients' specific requirements. To facilitate our development process, we employ a suite of industry-leading IDEs and development tools. Our toolkit includes Android Studio, Xcode, IntelliJ IDEA, PHP Storm, JetBrains Aqua, CLion, and DataGrip. These robust tools empower our team to efficiently create and enhance software solutions while maintaining the highest standards of quality and productivity. To meet the diverse cloud computing needs of our clients, we possess expertise in multiple industry-leading platforms. Our proficiency extends to Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. These platforms offer a comprehensive range of cloud services and solutions, empowering us to architect, deploy, and manage robust and scalable applications with enhanced security and reliability. Amazon Web Services, AWS. Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Microsoft Azure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. Contact us now via WhatsApp at 90288505524. Email us at info@associative.in. Visit our website at associative.in, associative.co.in. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business to new heights with Associative's tailor-made solutions. Our team of experts is ready to collaborate with you and help you achieve digital success. Unlock your potential with Associative.